everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. In today's video we are going to be unboxing a model that is very important for my Newark Liberty model airport, which will be coming in the next 2 weeks. I have almost gotten it complete, just need to add the grass. But in any case, today we are unboxing a model that is really important for that. And I don't think I've done an unboxing in about 2 months. It's because I've ordered a ton of models. I have like 5 models on order right now, so expect a lot of unboxings in the next few weeks. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this box open and get this model out. And there we go, our box is now opened. I think this is the first model I've ever seen packaged with packing peanuts. So we can go ahead and pull our aircraft out. And there we go, everyone. After a lot of unboxing, it's really strong packaging. You can see that we have our aircraft for today, which is the Gemini Jets 1-400 Lufthansa Airbus A330-300. So let's go ahead, brush these packing peanut pieces aside, and get this aircraft out of the box. I do really love Lufthansa, how they package Lufthansa aircraft. Really nice. Remove the plastic. Actually, pull it out by the tail. Just gonna check to make sure it's not broken. And it looks good. Looks good. Now, without any further ado, we're gonna go ahead and take a closer look at the model. Starting right here at the front of the aircraft, we have those cockpit windows, the Lufthansa logo, as well as the Star Alliance logo right there. The L1 door with that odd little yellow spot there. Then we have the front landing gear, the Lufthansa titles, and down there you can also see it does say Airbus A330-300. We have the first antenna, the L2 door, with another little yellow spot. I'm not really sure what those are about, but they do have those on every door on their aircraft. I'm not really sure why. We have those beautiful A330 engines. I love the look of the A330's engines. It just looks really nice. Then we have our wings. They are slightly flexed. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it is still noticeable, but not too terrible. Then we have the L3 door, as well as the Wi-Fi box right there. 2 antennas and the registration. Let's see if I can get the military alphabet right. My brain is blank. I will put it on the screen. It's D. Why can I not remember this? It's DAIKO. I will put what that actually is on the screen because my brain is blank today. And then we have that beautiful Lufthansa tail. I honestly love Lufthansa's new livery. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I know a lot of people don't like it. It's because of how Euro white it is, but I think it looks amazing. It's just so clean. And something else I did want to note, as you can see, we do actually have tilting landing gear. That's something we don't normally get on Gemini Jets models, and that is really cool to see. So that's something I always love to see. It's a nice little feature that they add in with only a few models, but great to see. So without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and end off the video. Nice model. But yeah, everyone, that does conclude our video for today. If you did enjoy this video and you do want to see more unboxings like this, then be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have time, leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts on this model and unboxings as a whole. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Just let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear them. And so yeah, everyone, I hope you all do have an absolutely incredible rest of your day, and I will see you later. Bye.